Welcome back to Amazing Car, where today we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Challenger, a legendary muscle car that continues to push boundaries in both performance and design. For decades, the Dodge Challenger has represented the pinnacle of American muscle, and the 2025 model takes it to new heights, with an interior that mixes comfort and cutting-edge technology. Let's start by taking a closer look at the cabin, which is as powerful as the car's engine. The dashboard features a sleek, modern layout with high-quality materials, including leather and suede upholstery, and a customizable 8.4-inch or 12-inch touchscreen, integrated with Uconnect 5, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The driver's seat is designed for long drives, with adjustable lumbar support and heating and cooling options, ensuring comfort even in the most intense driving conditions. The Challenger's performance-oriented interior doesn't sacrifice luxury, with an available Harman Kardon audio system that brings concert-quality sound into the car. This car is made for those who love the roar of the engine and the thrill of the road, and the interior complements that perfectly. Under the hood, the 2025 Challenger continues its tradition of powerful engine options, ranging from the V6 to the iconic Hemi V8 engines, producing heart-pounding horsepower and torque. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on the track, the Challenger's performance is unmatched, thanks to advanced suspension systems, performance brakes, and a range of driving modes. The Challenger's history is rich, dating back to 1970. And Dodge has constantly refined and perfected it, embracing both heritage and innovation. The 2025 model blends classic styling with modern touches, like a wide-body design and aggressive stance, making it stand out from the crowd. This is a car that's not just built for speed but for a driving experience that's second to none. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a weekend warrior, the 2025 Dodge Challenger brings it all together in one thrilling package. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Dodge Challenger. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing car content.